How to transfer prescription to Walgreens. You can transfer your prescriptions to Walgreens online. So first of all, gather the medication information. Have your current prescription bottle handy, and you will need the exact medication name, dosage, strength, prescription number, and the phone number of your current pharmacy. And then choose your transfer method. You simply have to launch any web browser of your choice or simply launch the Walgreens mobile application. From there, you have to log into your account, then tap the prescriptions option, then select the transfer RX. Once you tap on this, you simply have to take a snapshot of your prescription bottle label to instantly upload the info. Then proceed to select your preferred pickup location and timing. You simply have to submit your information. Walgreens will contact your old pharmacy to handle the transition. The process typically takes 2 to 3 business days to completely finalize. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.